everyone, thanks for tuning in to our how-to series for digital resources, brought to you by Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. I'm Alicia, your Adult Services Librarian, and I'll be leading you through today's tutorial, how to use Kanopy on your computer. Kanopy is one of my favorite digital resources that we have here at the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Kanopy features thousands of movies and shows that you can stream all from the comfort of your own home. You can watch on your computer or mobile device like a tablet or a smartphone. If you have a smart TV, you can also add the Kanopy app directly to your TV. So what's so great about Kanopy? Well, with Kanopy, you'll receive 15 play credits per month. There are no holds and no waiting, so you can immediately start watching. If you have kids, you can explore and browse Kanopy Kids, which offers unlimited access to shows and movies that are family friendly. Right now, Kanopy is also offering a collection of films that you can stream without having to use your play credits. You'll also find unlimited access to the great courses, video courses that offer learning on a large variety of subjects. Whether you're looking for entertainment or education, Kanopy has it all, and you can access it all for free with your library card. If you don't have a library card with us yet, don't worry, we've got you covered. You can now sign up for a digital membership and get instant access to all of our ebooks, digital movies, magazines, learning tools, and more. To sign up for a digital membership, visit our website at innisfilidealab.ca and click on the digital membership information graphic. This will lead you to an online fillable form. Simply fill in the form and you will receive an email from staff within 1 business day from Monday to Friday with your membership details. You can also call the library at 705-431-7410 and we will be happy to set you up with a digital membership and answer any of your questions. So let's jump right into Kanopy. Make sure you have your library card handy. We'll start by visiting the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library website. Put your cursor over the Digital Library tab to view the Digital Library drop-down menu. Then click on Online Movies Kanopy. On this page, you'll find a link to our online tip sheet for Kanopy. If you have any further questions after watching this tutorial or need a quick refresher on how to use Kanopy, we hope that you'll find this tip sheet useful. You can access the tip sheet by opening it up from this link. And this tip sheet covers how to use Kanopy on a desktop or a laptop computer, as well as on the reverse side, you'll find a handy tip sheet for how to use Kanopy if you're using a tablet or a smartphone. So let's go ahead and click on the link to Kanopy. Once you've clicked on Kanopy, you'll be brought to this page where you'll click on Add Library Card. You'll then type in your library card number in the box provided. You can find your library card number on the reverse side of your library card. Be sure to type in all of the numbers with no spaces. Once you've entered in your library card number, you'll be brought to this step. And this final step is to create your very own Kanopy account. You'll fill in your name, email address, and a password to use for your account, and then click Sign Up. A confirmation email will be sent to the email address provided. Open up the email and click on the link to activate your account. In the future, to log in, you'll simply click the Log In button in the top right-hand corner. You'll enter in your email address and the password you just set to log into your account. I'm now going to log in. And we're in. You can browse through movies and shows on the home screen by scrolling through different categories. Here on the home page, we have credit-free viewing, new added movies, newly added documentaries, things that are trending now, and all sorts of other video categories. If you place your cursor over the Browse button, located at the top of the page, you'll find even more film categories to explore. If you're looking for a specific film or show, or you have a subject in mind, you can also type this information into the search bar and then click on the magnifying glass or hit enter on your keyboard. If you hover over the cover image of a film, you can read a brief description of the film. To watch right away, click Watch. You can also click on My List to add the title to your list of films to watch at a later time. To access My Watch List, put your cursor over your name in the top right-hand corner and then click on My Watch List. You can also click on the cover image of a film to be brought to the page for that film, where you can read a full description of the film, its running time, and the year it was released. When you're ready to start watching, simply click the play button, located here. You will have 72 hours to watch the film as many times as you like across any connected devices. Titles are automatically returned after 72 hours, and borrowing limits reset on the first day of each month. To explore Kanopy Kids, go ahead and click on Go to Kanopy Kids at the top of your home screen. Here you'll find family-friendly TV series and movies. You'll also find a section called Storytime, where children's books are read aloud and brought to life through video. Remember, you have unlimited access to Kanopy Kids, so your kids can watch all of their favorite shows and movies anytime. While this tutorial shows how to use Kanopy on a computer, you can also access Kanopy on your tablet or phone. You'll need to get the Kanopy app from the Google Play Store if using an Android device, or the App Store if using an iOS device. You can also watch Kanopy on your TV with a Roku device, Apple TV, Chromecast, or by connecting your computer to your television using an HDMI cable. If you have a smart TV, search and add the Kanopy app directly to your TV. Thanks for tuning in to our how-to series for digital resources, and look out for more tutorials in the future on our other exciting digital resources. We hope you enjoy Kanopy and all of the amazing movies and shows it has to offer. Share your favorite film or show with us in the comments. Bye for now.